Okay, so I have the Midea U Shaped 8000 BTU here. I'm gonna do a test for how loud it is versus regular AC. So let's see, this one I would like you to hear. I'm gonna turn it on. There's a remote, but it's just easier for me to press the button. And I'm gonna do it on high. Let's see when it starts. It is on echo mode, so I'm gonna take it off of echo mode. All right, this is how loud it is. I'm gonna go to the other AC now and see how different it is. All right, so across the room, I have another AC. This is a little bit like 10,000 BTU, I think. I'm gonna turn it on right now on high. All right, can you hear how loud that is in comparison? Even if I turn this to medium, this is the amount of noise that you get from a normal AC. I'm gonna go back to the Midea so that you can really hear the difference. This is so quiet, it's really hard to explain how quiet that is. So overall, this is the quietest window AC that I have encountered, so worth it. Really recommend trying it out, and I give it a thumbs up.